Number 1.
Huepar Digital Angle Finder delivers excellent precision with a plus-minus 0.1 degree accuracy and reliable performance across various temperatures, making it ideal for woodworking, metalwork, and pipe alignment. Its 0 to 90 degrees and 0 to 180 degrees modes offer flexibility, while multiple measurement units support different applications. The strong magnetic base allows hands-free placement on saw blades or metal surfaces. A clear VA LCD ensures easy readability outdoors. Compact, durable construction and a protective carrying bag enhance portability. With long-term support and a 2-year warranty, this tool offers strong value.
Number 2. GREENWORKS 24-volt half-inch brushless cordless drill plus 6.5-inch circular saw delivers strong performance for home projects and woodworking tasks. The drill offers excellent speed control, solid torque, and a lightweight design that reduces fatigue during long sessions. The brushless circular saw cuts fast and clean with its 4,800 RPM motor and bevel capacity up to 50 degrees. 2 USB-C 2-amp-hour batteries add convenience by doubling as power banks. This combo provides reliability, versatility, and impressive value. Number 3.
General Tools Woodworking Dovetail Jig provides a dependable solution for creating clean, accurate dovetail joints in furniture and cabinet projects. Its aluminum layout ensures even alignment on both sides, while the integrated clamping system fits various board widths. The included 14-degree router bit and user manual help beginners start quickly. Professionals benefit from adjustable settings for tight or loose joints. Durable construction and versatile functionality make this jig suitable for indoor tasks, repairs, and detailed woodworking applications.
Number 4. Heavy-duty undercut saw Jamb Saw Kit 1800W delivers strong cutting performance with its 2.5 HP motor, making it ideal for flooring, tile work, and renovation projects. The included alloy and diamond blades handle wood, masonry, tile, and concrete effectively. Its height adjustment system keeps cuts precise and parallel to the floor, improving accuracy in tight areas. A long 13-foot cord adds flexibility, while the durable build ensures reliable long-term use. This tool offers power, consistency, and professional-grade results.
Number 5. Cordless Jigsaw with brushless motor offers smooth cutting performance with reduced friction and longer tool life. 3 adjustable speeds and 4 stroke settings allow customization for wood, metal, and curved cuts. The 45-degree, 90-degree bevel capability enhances versatility for DIY projects and detailed finishes. Its built-in dust-blowing feature improves visibility for cleaner, precise lines. With the included battery and charger, this jigsaw provides convenience, portability, and dependable efficiency for beginners and experienced woodworkers alike.
Number 6.
POWERTEC 71168V T-Track hold-down clamp set provides strong, reliable clamping for woodworking jigs, CNC setups, table saws, and drill presses. The anodized aluminum build offers durability without bending, while the ergonomic star knobs and non-marring pads ensure secure, safe holding. Its high-tension design works well for positioning and fixturing tasks. The included T-bolts and washers fit universal T-tracks, making the kit versatile for workshop configurations. This clamp set delivers efficiency, control, and excellent overall value.
Number 7. Dustopper Pro low-profile dust separator boosts shop vacuum efficiency by capturing over 99.9% of dust before it reaches the filter. Its low-profile design fits standard 5-gallon buckets with high-flow 90-degree sweep elbows, improving suction and airflow.
The system handles wood chips, hair, soil, sand, and even liquids, making it versatile for home or workshop use. Easy latch removal simplifies emptying, while anti-static construction enhances safety. This separator provides cleaner operation, longer filter life, and excellent performance. Number 8.
Kreg MortiseMate loose tenon jig streamlines mortise cutting using only a drill, making joinery more accessible for woodworkers. Its auto-indexing step-down mechanism ensures controlled depth, while micro-adjustment screws and laser-etched markings improve accuracy. The integrated mini work surface and trigger stop clamps provide quick, secure positioning for panels and frame joints. Supporting material thicknesses from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches, this jig delivers clean, repeatable mortises with minimal setup. A freemium build ensures longevity and defendable workshop performance.
Number 9.
Milescraft 1334 Joint Master simplifies doweling with its self-clamping aluminum body that stays rigid without bending. It creates edge, corner, and surface joints using 1/4 inch, 5/16, and 3/8 inch dowels, offering flexibility for furniture repairs and woodworking projects. Retractable edge stops automatically align boards for consistent hole placement, while hardened steel bushings ensure long-lasting precision. Easy to use for both beginners and professionals, this jig delivers accurate alignment and durable construction that enhances reliability in everyday applications.
Number 10.
Litheli Cordless Drill Set 20V provides reliable performance for household tasks, DIY work, and light construction projects. The 3/8 inch keyless chuck allows quick bit changes, while 18+1 torque settings deliver accurate screw driving without strifing. A 2-speed motor supports both fastening and drilling at up to 1,300 RPM. The included 2.0 amp battery with capacity indicator ensures consistent power, and the fast charger completes charging in 1 hour. Compact, comfortable handling makes this drill a practical everyday tool.